I was in a play called Smashing Day, and I wrote the songs for the play and sang the songs on stage, and Brian Epstein produced the play himself. He loved the play and invited me to meet Dick James, the recording manager. I also met Ringo Starr and John Lennon at the end of the first night at the back of the theatre, and they said that but guitar, no, you'd be very good. Thank you. Thank you, I say. Not realizing that I'd just talked myself into a meeting with Dick James, who said more or less the same thing behind a huge haze of cigar smoke. So I ran away to the theatre. I thought, nope, I'm going to... the same week I was offered a job at Chichester Theatre, playing tiny parts in two magnificent plays, The Cherry Orchard and Shakespeare's Scottish play.